Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new day in Sydney. As you all must be knowing that we are staying in Sydney and we are here for a vacation, and so today is another beautiful day. We feel so blessed and so grateful to whatever we are experiencing in life at the moment, and I really want to thank all my viewers who make it more special for us with your comments, with your views. I just love everyone. Lots of love. So today is another day and we are going to explore Sydney a little bit more, and our itinerary is all set. So we just started our day with a lovely breakfast buffet in our hotel. So after having the beautiful breakfast, we all headed and did some photo shoot in the hotel itself, because the ambience of the hotel was so pretty that I didn't want to miss any part of it. So we did the photo shoot ourselves. We didn't hire anyone for that because obviously that's a silly thing. I can do it. And so yeah, we did it and it was such a lovely photos we got that day, and that created so much memories for us. So here we started off with exploring the city. So we planned today to explore the places around the city. So the first place that we went was the Darling Harbour, and this is a very beautiful place where you can just spend a few hours, all this whole day with your family, with your friends. So this family friendly destination has enough to keep children entertained all the day, from fascinating museum to thrilling wildlife and delicious dining options. So you have for everyone. So this place, we just loved it. It is actually situated at the center of the Sydney. It's a very beautiful place, and the attractions that you can experience here are Madame Tussauds and the Sea Life Aquarium and Chinese Garden of Friendship, Australian National Maritime Museum. All these are there, and you can always book the passes or the tickets before going there, or you can grab it from there itself. So all good. So this is the first destination that we hopped on, was the Madame Tussauds, because we missed that in Singapore, so we wanted to have the most of it in Sydney, and we just loved it. It was so glittery, so glamorous place, and my son had so much fun. We also met Madame Tussauds and a lot of celebrity, obviously the wax statue of all of them, but yeah, it was a great feeling. We felt like we are actually meeting them because they look so real. Such a nice experience. I hope you all must be enjoying this video, and as you can see, we tried to make most of it and tried to click as much pictures as we could that day, so that we have enough memory to share and cherish forever. And this place was so photogenic, like you could have like thousands of pictures just for Instagram and Facebook. So it's such a pretty place and such a nice memories that we fortunately created for ourselves and for our family and friends. So definitely we enjoyed a lot with our family, and we skipped going to the museum and aquarium because we have already been there in Melbourne. So but if you have not, then obviously that's a great place to go and check out, because that's a one spot for all the attractions. You don't have to go like multiple places. You will find everything under one roof. So that's the best that you can explore in Darling Harbour in Sydney. And after exploring everything there, we were so hungry that we just wanted to sit down and eat something fulfilling. And so we got to this beautiful restaurant called Pinky G that you will see in the video later. But while walking through, I just tried to shoot a little bit of Sydney traffic and the street life. I was looking so nice. It was so busy, but still I loved it. And as you can see, there was lots of people walking around. And here is the restaurant that we actually came. This is a very good restaurant, I must say. I will give it like 5 out of 5. Very good food, very good ambience, very great people, good serving, good customer service, very nice. So very thumbs up. And yeah, I would highly recommend if you're in CBD area around the city in the Sydney, you can just try out their thalis. That's very good, like very well priced and very tasty also. So after having delicious lunch, we all headed towards the Sydney Museum because my son wanted to go there. So we took him there at the Sydney Museum, and which was really nice. And the entry here is free, so you don't have to buy any ticket. And you can go there, and they are open till late at night. So yeah, obviously a good place to go with kids because there they explore a lot of things, and that enhances and increases their IQ level and the learning as well. So really recommend if you are going there with kids, and yeah, if they are in that age of learning, obviously a good place to go. And we spent like quite few hours there exploring the place. We also had like little bit of snacks in between in the cafe area, like coffee and some cake. So after spending good few hours at the museum, we all headed towards the next destination. And do you know where we are going now? We are going to the Luna Park, yes. And now it's the evening time, so we booked a taxi from the museum to the Luna Park. And now we are crossing the iconic Sydney Harbour Bridge. It looks so beautiful. I just can't say. It was such a great experience crossing this bridge. So iconic. So now we have reached Luna Park. This is the entrance, and as you can see, it looks so beautiful. It has lots of activity for all age groups, especially for kids. Lots of rides and lots of activity inside, like Circus Show, and you have the neon light show, which kids really enjoy a lot. So we actually went there and we booked all the passes of all the activities which we are going to experience today way ahead. But yeah, it's a good idea always to book tickets in advance, because sometimes when you go there, it's usually sold out. So this is the view that you can enjoy from the entrance, and inside the park it's so nice. We really had so much fun, and we had some snacks. There is a lot of dining option as well there. As you can see, I just love being there, and we all enjoyed a lot. And if you are new to my channel and watching this vlog for the first time, so let me introduce myself. I'm a content creator and I love making travel lifestyle related videos. So I'll link my waiting for the Sydney and Melbourne here somewhere, so that you can some just really cool and stuff snacks from here, watching my vlogs, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for supporting me, and thank you for watching my vlogs, and stay tuned for more. Thank you so much. So while waiting for the neon light show, we tried some really cool snacks at the neon cafe, and the way they presented all these ice cream and all these snacks was really cool and fun. So me and my son, we both enjoyed a lot. So now the wait was over, and we actually had so much fun here in the neon light show. I thought Kian might be afraid, but actually he didn't. He really enjoyed it, and we all danced in the music, and it was so much fun. After exploring the light show, we now came to another activity, which was the circus show. I heard so much about this and really eager to see the show. And here we all queued up for the show, and now the show has begun. You can see it was so nice. It was so nicely presented. We actually loved it. We all were sitting there and was so calm and peaceful to watch that show. And we three of us really enjoyed it. It was so much fun, especially with kids. If you have kids with you, and I think Dona Bagh is one of the best attractions that you should take them. They will have so much fun for sure, I guarantee you. And so my lovely friends, keep watching all my vlogs, and if you have missed any of the previous vlog, then I'll link it here and you can go and watch it. If you have any questions regarding the Sydney or Melbourne itinerary, if you're planning to visit soon, do comment or ask me. I'll love to answer your questions. Thank you so much. So the day was amazing. We all enjoyed a lot. It was a long day for us, and now we all are ready to go back to a hotel in a cozy home. Just go and relax and sleep and get ready for the very next day. So I'll see you all soon in my next vlog. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.